Hello, welcome to Chuo TV. Today I will explain how to convert MKV format to mp4. Here is our software called movavi video converter Premiere. Let's start it. As you can see, the software wants me to drag a file that I want to be converted. So I will search it here, and I want to find an MKV format to be converted to mp4. Here, as you can see, I have a MKV video, so I want it to be in mp4. So I'm going to drag it to my converter. As you can see, my file is ready there, MKV. So I have to choose a format that I want to be converted. Here is a lot of format here, but I want this one, my mp4. I select it, and here you can choose your destination folder. In my case, I have already created, so if you didn't create yet your destination folder, you can come here, just click, and you can choose your folder that you like. For my case, I have already have the destination folder. So after clicking the format that I like, I'm going to convert it right here. My file has already been converted, so I'm going to prove if it is true. Here I'm going to property, and it is true. My file has been converted to mp4. Thanks for watching. For this and other videos, you can subscribe to my channel so you can get a lot of more education and detail about on how to make things. Don't forget to hit the bell button. Don't forget to like and subscribe again. Thank you for watching.